Hello everyone, I am back with a new video. As we were in the statistics portion, we have learned the mean. We have learned the mean by direct method, as well as we have learned to find out the to find out the unknown frequency. In one case we have find out the one unknown frequency, and in one case we have found out two unknown frequencies. All the three are important for your term 2 examinations for the ICSE and CBSE both. Okay, so today that the video was becoming too long, so I thought to make the next video by with a shortcut method. Okay, so now I am uploading making a video mean by shortcut method or assumed mean method. Both are there in the ICSE and CBSE. Okay, which will be not be there, I will say you just. So let us begin. I have already written the question. Let us begin. So mean by shortcut method. It is little different. Okay, in some cases it can be written assumed mean method also. Okay, so now let us start how to do. Okay, the question is ready, you can take the screenshot. I have written very clearly on the board. Okay, so now let us start. You know how to start. What you will write here, just make table. Okay, write class interval, give it the name xi. Okay, just write down 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Okay, now just write down class mark, and you just name it mi. Any name you can give, name it mi. You know what is class mark, I am not going to say it again and again. So 0, 10, what will in the middle? It will be 5. If you can't understand, you can go to the previous video and watch it again. Okay, this will be 15, this will be 25, this will be 35, and this will be 45. Okay, now what you will write? Frequency, that is fi. Okay, what is there? 9. Next it's 12, next is 15, next it's 10, and next it's 14. See, up to this one everything is same as the direct method, everything. The next step, see, in that case there were 4 tables. Here only fi, xi or fi, mi. Okay, but in this case, in assumed mean method, we'll have one more table. Okay, that also you can give the name di. You can give di, no problem. Any name you can give. Di equal to mi minus a. See, what is a? You can write in the bracket where a equals to how much? I will say you. I am just writing down now. I will say you how I have taken. Where a equals to 25. Okay. Now, what is a? A is only the assumed mean. Assumed mean. Assumed mean means you have to assume one mean from this class mark. You have to assume one mean. Okay. See, how 5 is there. So 5. If it is an odd number, you can easily take the middle one. Okay. So I am taking the middle one. See. Okay, if it is odd number, see odd number 5, no, you can easily take the middle one. See, this side 2, this side 2, so you can take the middle one. Don't worry in case it is even number, don't worry. Suppose here the number is 6, suppose like this one more number is here 50. Okay, don't write this one, just you listen. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, then which one will take? No middle is there, no, don't need to worry, just take either 25 or 35, just take the middle to anyone you can take. Okay, so understand, in case if the number here comes even, then what you will take? You will take either of the middle. Okay, either you take 25 or you take the 35, because no one will come exact at the middle. Okay, just you take either anyone from the middle. Okay, just you count it down, don't take anything from these two only. Okay, these two you can take, but in this case it is odd. In this case it is odd, so you can easily take. If it is 7, if it is 9, then you can easily take the middle one. Okay, so you have written here a is equal to 25 and di is equal to mi. Mi means whatever you will get there minus a, whatever you have assumed, So here see 5 and whatever you have assumed 25. See 5 minus 25, that means minus 20. Okay, now see 15 and here minus 25. See minus a. See mi means this one. Okay, this value, and minus a means minus 25. Every case, all case minus 25. A will be same. Okay, so 15 minus 25, that will be minus 10. Here 25 minus 25, it will be 0. 35 minus 25, now positive will come. 35 minus 25 will be 10. 45 minus 25 will be 20. So only this table will be different, only this table will be different. Now see, in this case, last one you see, earlier what you used to do, mi, fi, here no need to do mi, see here will be di, okay, what? Di, what is the new value we have got? Ti into fi, okay, shortcut method, okay, because we have used the assumed mean here, okay. Now see, just multiply, minus 20 into 9, minus 180, 12 into minus 10, minus 120, 0 this will be, 10 into 10, 100, and 14 twos are 28, that means 280. Now you just count it down, sum of fi di or di fi, anything you can write, 280 and 100, 380, and here it is 200, 300, that means 80, 380 and minus 300, it will be 80 only, it's a positive, no problem, positive here. And here what you will find out, sum of, not here, sorry, here, sum of fi, what you will find out, 4 and 5, 9, 10, 11, 11 and 9, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 9, 10, 11, 11 and 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 2, 6. So nice, answer came nice, no problem. Now I have to find out the mean. How to find out the mean? I will draw, or I can easily find. No, I can easily find. Here space is there, you can see clearly. See, now to find out the mean, what you will do? Sum of fi di by sum of fi. See, these things are same, formulas are same, but one thing is different. Just you add here a, what the assumed mean we have taken, you just add it here. What will be? Fi di will be 80 and fi will be 60 plus assumed mean is what? 25, okay, just you add here 25. Make it in the simplest form, 0 0 card, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Now what will be? 4 will be here only, here see, 25 into 3, 75, 75 3, that will be 79 by 3, 79 by 3, okay. Now I am giving one arrow mark here and doing here, okay. 79 by 3, 3 2s are 6, 19, 3 6 are 18, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, again 0, 3 3s are 9. What will be the answer? Equals to 26.33, okay, 26.33. You can easily understand. See, you can take a screenshot, and if you can't understand, you can repeat it again and again to see, okay. It's easy process, I will not waste the time, I will start other method, okay. Okay, I have written the question, already I have written the question. See, this is step deviation method, okay. I have said earlier there are 3 methods to solve the mean. One is direct method, one is shortcut method, both are finished, and unknown frequencies type of math also finished, okay. All are useful for the examination, but see, this step deviation method for this 22 examinations here, this is not useful for the CBSE examination, okay. It is useful only for the ICSE, okay. And if you, those who have just come into class 10 now, they can see now, okay, no problem. But for 22 examination CBSE, this method is not there, okay. I don't know, I have not seen whether it is there in the 23 examination or not, but this video I am making only for ICSE student this year, okay. Step deviation method, here in this case you have to make one table more, okay. See, now you know how to solve. See, one thing I want to do, I want to say you, see, here I have taken 1 2 3 4 5 6, see 6 no, even. So we'll learn here step deviation also, and we will learn how to take the assumed mean. I said you earlier, but there was only 5 cases, here 6 is there, okay. So we will learn step deviation and this taking the assumed mean in one method only, okay. Now see, class, I think in this we have to rub because no place will be there, huh? That time it was shorter, so we can manage the place. I am writing it from this side, okay. Class interval, you know what name I will give it, xi. What is the class interval? 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, more is not there, okay. Just you give a line here, okay. After that, you know what, I will go just step by step. After that, class mark. After that, class mark. What will be? Okay. You know what is class mark? You just write in the middle one. 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75. Correct? I hope you can understand. If you see the video without skipping, and you can, if you see by your mind, they will be very useful for examination. Okay. Now you know what you will write. Frequency. Let us write the frequency. Where is the frequency? Frequency. What is that? Fi. Okay. What is that? 10, 6, 8, 12, 5 and 9. Okay. Now see, now the case is different. This is same as assume in di. What will be? What will be? It is mi minus a. A, you know what is? Where? Let's write it down. A is equal to what? Now you can, what will take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I said 6. Which one is the middle? What one is the middle? Huh? Either 45 or 55. Anyone you can take. Okay. What you will take? Take the 45. Okay. I am taking 45. Anything you can take. Take 45. Assuming is 45. Okay. Now just note it down. Mi minus a. What is mi? 25 minus 45. What will be? Minus 20. Correct? Now 35 minus 45 minus 10. 45 minus 45 is, you know, 0. 55 minus 45, it will be 10. It will be 20 and it will be 30. Understand? Now what was in the last case? Just you multiply this one and this one, no? But here you see little different. You take it di dash. It will be di by L. Di by L. What is di? Di means we have found out this is the value of di. Okay. L means the length of the class interval. Length, the gap. What is the length? 10. What is the length? 10. Understand what is the L means? Length of the class interval, gap. What is the gap? In between the class interval is 10. Okay. So di means minus 20 by 10. 10 is what? L, length. Okay. I will write here. Okay. L equals to 10. Okay. I am writing here. Okay. To make, otherwise you will forget. No, if you forget, you just go back and see what I said. L means 10. So minus 20 by 10. It will be minus 2. Okay. Minus 10 by 10. What will be? Minus 1. It will be 0 only. 10 by 10. 1. 20 by 10. It will be 2. 30 by 10. It will be 3. See, so short the values came. So short. So it is a step deviation. Okay. And the last one we will write di dash into fi. Do not forget fi. Okay. Do not forget fi. What is fi? This one. See, now we have to do a calculation carefully. Okay. Because it something more has come in the middle. See, 10 into minus 2, minus 20. 1 into minus 6. Sorry, minus 1 into 6. What will be? Minus 6. 0 will be 0 only. 12 into 1. It will be 12. Make the calculations nicely. 5 2s are 10. 9 3s are 27. Easy calculation will come. What is that? 26. Here 27. 37. 37 and 12. It is 49. 49 minus 26. What will be? 3 2. 23 only. Okay. 23. Sum of di dash and fi will be 23. Let us see again. 7 8 9. 49 minus 6 will be 43. Okay, correct. I have cross checked. Okay. Now you see fi. Fi given in the front, not given, no. In some cases it is written, no. Total frequency is written. Okay. Now count it out. 9 5, 14, 14 and 12, 26, 26 and 8, 34, 34 and 6, 40, 40 and 10, 50. Clearly visible. Okay. So only one table has increased, and the formula here in di dash. Okay. So you can understand. You can take a screenshot, or suppose if you can't understand, I hope you can understand, because throughout the year you have read this one. Only for quick revision I am uploading these videos. Okay. Clearly you can understand. Now you have to find out what? Mean by step deviation method. So I am not writing all the things, only I am writing mean, because the heading is there, step deviation. You can understand mean. Now there is little different. Okay. In the first case, in direct method what? Only sum of fi mi by sum of fi. In the second case, sum of fi di by sum of fi plus a assume mean, but here you see what, L into sum of di dash fi by sum of fi plus a. See, you know what will be this one, di dash fi means this value, sum of fi will be this value, and L means I said you repeatedly, the gap means 10. It may be in your exam not 10, it may be 5 also, it may be 20 also, okay. 20 to 40 it will be, then it will be 20, L will be 20. If it is 20 to 25, the gap will be 5, so L will be 5, okay. So you have to write down this one very carefully, okay. Now see, L is how much, 10 into, this will be 23 and this will be 50, understand? Clearly you can see, okay. I'm writing very slowly, and A is how much you have taken, 45. See, here calculation will be very easy, no, this 0 and this 0 will be cut, okay. So what comes, 23 by 5 plus 45, 23 by 5 means 5 4s are 20, point 35 6 is 30, okay. 4.6 you can divide it and right, I divided in mouth only, okay, plus 45, what will be 45 plus 4, 49.6 will be the mean, understand? This is by step deviation method. I hope this is good for your revision, all the 3 methods. I hope all whatever videos I have uploaded in the statistics part 1 and today something may come in your exam also, okay. So I will stopping here today, you just revise it and do more and more sums from your book, whatever is taught in your school, just you learn the method, revise the method. And the next one is that I am saying on the next video I will upload the median and mode, okay. So that's all for today. Thank you, have a nice day. If you like the video, you can give a like and also comments, write in the comment section, okay. Thank you very much.